Explain to me.
I found the proof.
What proof?
You cheated.
Proof, baby. Proof. Like, so talk to me, let me know what is the proof. We are talk about, I don't understand. Like, get to the point, please. Like, I don't understand. Like,
You have nothing to tell me.
what is it I should have tell you? What is it? I go home, I go to work and I come home. I agree, I say I cheat. What is it I should tell you? What is the proof? You have to have a proof, so I cheat. Show me the camera. Show me the camera where you see me a cheat.
I'm going to show you the proof in a minute. I'm just giving you the chance to own up to the fact that you cheated.
Why should I own up to something that I don't know about? Where you get that from? Where you get that from, B? I don't know where you're talking about. I can't own up to something I don't know about. That's how I sit here. You agree with me, say I cheated. You just come
But
from
the good
Europe,
thing
you
is,
back up and
okay,
like, you
listen.
tell me about me a cheat.
The good thing is, we all make mistakes, and we can start over. One day is okay. It's okay that you only cheated one day. It's fine.
Something like it wrong with you.
It's okay that you only cheated one
I'm
day,
gonna tell
babe.
you, say, you see, if you cheat, one day is not okay with me. So you have to show me the proof, because you see what is due to Caesar, I give it to Caesar, and what I don't want for myself, I would not do it to you, baby. So that's what I am saying to you.
But
That's all
it's
I'm saying to
okay
you.
that you made a mistake and that you gave into the temptation
What
and
is the
the
mistake I made?
cravings, and it's okay that you gave into it, because you know it is hard. I know it's hard to stay faithful to something. You know, I know it's really difficult and it's really hard. So it's okay. You can start over, and
What I'm going to say to you is, nothing is hard once you put your mind to it. There's nothing at all that I can't be. You understand me? I say to you? So you see what me tell you, say I'm faithful to you, baby, and you are faithful to.